thanks for joining me. I am just going to, sorry. Hiya, thanks for joining me. It's Morag here, and I just want to go through with all the new goodies for April in the Bramble Fox shop. As you can see, you might guess what the theme is. We've called the collection Sea Life, and there's lots of sea related things. And let me just tell you a bit of a story behind it, because Niki Rowland asked me if I'd got any sea things one day, and I said, oh no, I haven't. And then I got working on it and just went completely mad. So hence we've got a whole collection of goodies to share. So I'm going to go through as fast as I can, just so you're not hanging around. And if I remember, what I'm going to do is pause in between so you can see some examples from myself and the team of how we've used them. Or I might leave that at the end, see how we go. So named after this piece here then, the Sea Life is in that lovely teal colour. Actually one of our favourites for us and the rest of the team. And then a couple of starfish, so that's the Sea Life pack. And then I didn't really know what to call things as ever. Maybe I should run a competition. But these are sea creatures, are they? Who knows? You'll find them in the shop anyway. So we should have a competition to name them. So this is an octopus, there is a seahorse of course, a whale and a couple of turtles. So like a big turtle and a baby turtle, which are rather cute. Those are fantastic for just, you know, adding a little bit of interest to your page. And I'll show you a couple of examples where those have been used. So then we've got this set here, Fun Ahoy and Little Urchin. Julie Taylor has done an incredible page with this little urchin. And I've used the Fun Ahoy myself recently, bear with me. I've got a pile of layouts next to me. So you can see it's in a fantastic denim colour, and it just really pops against your page. So they're really good fun, and you know, that kind of is sea related, but equally something in the summer wouldn't go amiss. There's Ocean Waves. Now let me see if I can, let's borrow this a moment, if you can see that. But the little O has got little fishes swimming in it. Oh, how cute. They really, really are cute. So that's a really cute design. And that comes with a few lighthouses, or a couple of lighthouses. And then we've got like a super set here, which is Set Sail and Anchors Away. And then you get some little icons with it. So that's really handy. So it kind of offers a bit better value for money in terms of you get a huge set all in one go. And then we've got some petite perspectives. I've just kept these in the packet just for now. So you get a little crab, and they come in orange and pink. And the orange is really fantastic for just adding a little bit of a pop of colour to your page. And again, I'll just go back to that layout I showed you earlier, and you'll see what a fantastic way it just catches the eye when you add that little bit of orange to your page. So I've used one of the little starfish in pink and one in orange. And I think you'll find when you are using your collections, there's a lot of obviously blue and aquas in there, but you'll also find there's pops of these tertiary colours, so you'll find that those will go really well with your collections. So, and then we've also got some fishes, so they've all got great etching on there. And by the way, if you find that you've got some dust on there, you can just give it a wipe with your finger, and that'll get the dust off. But you do need that to actually have your etching show up, so it's all good. So you get some blue, some clownfish and some bubbles. See, Finding Nemo was such a massive thing in our house, so I was very excited to be able to do some Nemo style things. So all of that is our Sea Life collection. Oh, and I forgot the paper snip. So the paper snips this time have got some cut apart elements in them, which again is fantastic just for tucking in onto your page. Again, I'll get my layout. So, you know, I've just cut out some of the journaling pieces and some of the little elements. So it's a really cost effective way if, you know, you don't have a lot of stickers or a lot of ephemera, that you can do that yourself, and it's a fraction of the price of the die cut elements from some of the big brands, and you get to do some fussy cutting, so which is like fabulous. So that is the whole collection there. And what we're going to do is we don't do this very often, but we are going to have a collection offer. So if you wanted to take the whole thing, we are going to offer you, there's a little bit of discount, but I'm just going to move this out of the way a little bit. But we're going to offer you an exclusive pack. So we'll get some more bubbles like this. And then we've got these cute little jellyfish. I love cute little jellyfish and a little shell. So there's 2 cute little jellyfish, and so those will be obviously great with any of these, and you can just tuck them in, but this will only be available for the collection, and it's only available while stocks last. So we're just going to do a limited edition of those if you're interested. So you can head off to our website and see all the details, plus the details of the whole collection and what your freebie is there if you decide to take the collection. So I created lots of texture on this one and used some of those little sea creatures. And this one, Rebecca has created a wonderful bold design. Again, the one that I showed you earlier, Fun Ahoy. And this is the gorgeous one from Julia mentioned with all that texture, so clever. And I love this one by Vicky, the way she has everything poking out of the waves like that. So don't forget, if you purchase the entire Sea Life collection, as you can see here, you'll receive these little goodies free. Yay! Right, I'm back. And as you can see, we have a whole bunch of other goodies. I think there must be some other things which I've missed, so forgive me, but you can find them all in the shop this month. I'm just going to go quickly through some of them and then probably spend some time on my favourite pieces. But Great Outdoors and Favourite Snapshot. Those were some really popular pieces from last year, I believe. And so we've just kind of updated and refreshed those and put them together in a pack. Again, these colours, there are quite a few dark colours here. Just because they're so easy to use. I mean, they just pop against your page. So I'm going to go back to that layout. But you can see they just pop against the page, and they've got that lovely satin finish. And sorry, but that is my favourite. So that's probably why we've got loads. This was in the Fox box last month. I think that was in March. Girls absolutely love these pieces. So again, we've just done a refresh and put that in the denim as well. So again, if you're backing that with some paper, then you'll see it really pops against that denim blue. Go Anywhere, Are We There Yet? Oh my God, how many times did my children say that when they were young? So that's so much fun. So, you know, if you're starting to get out and about over Easter, these are going to be absolutely perfect. And then we've got Weekend and Adventure. So again, we have done those in the turquoise colour. It is so much bias, I have to say, because, you know, turquoise, mints and blues are my favourite things. So I make no apologies, really. And then we've got a new design and a new font. So let me just clean this up a bit. So you can see there are some cutout elements inside the font itself. So I kind of designed this font this month, so you'll see it on a few pieces. I'll show you the Fox box in a separate video, and you'll see it's in there. But I really fell in love with it, so I had to make some more. and that comes with no regrets and a couple of stars, and it's also available in black. We had quite a few comments about it's really difficult to get hold of boy designs, of course, we all know that. So I used that awesome piece on a layout, and this is Coco Vanilla's No Limits. I had it for my birthday off a very good friend, Julie. So she bought it me for my birthday present. So I love the colours, and this is what inspired me to create these pieces, this collection pack. So absolutely fantastic to work with for a boy layout. And in fact, on this layout, I've used it with some stencils from the shop. I'm guessing this one is number 30, is it? And number 4, I could be wrong actually, I can't remember what number it is. But you'll see some stars in the shop, stencils. And you may have guessed, stars are my favourite things, so there's always loads of star things in the shop anyway. So that is our latest designs. So I'm going to leave you with some close-ups of those layouts and examples, some inspiration for the team, and I'll do a separate video now then for the May Fox box, and details about the offer for the Fox box as well. So thanks for joining me, I really appreciate your time, and I'll see you next time. Take care now, bye.